Hi guys, it's Maureen. So I'm going to my garden. We're gonna do a little harvest, so come with me. Okay, so we're going to start with some green beans. Oh my god, I have like lots of them. Look at that. Let's see how many we can get. Ooh. They're so nice and strong. Ooh, look how big these ones are. Okay, that's all I need for the day. Okay, let's see what else we can get. Oh, look at my parsley. It's doing so well. Okay, let's see if we can get a green pepper. This one looks small, but ooh, look at this one. This is a big one. Okay, so we're gonna get this one. Big one. Yeah, I think that will be enough for today. Let's see if we can find any onions. These ones are pretty small. Oh, look at my beetroot, guys. Ooh, it's coming up. I might get some vegetables, but let's look for an onion first. I saw some onions here. There's some onions inside here. Maybe we can get some. Let me check. Okay, so we have this little onion and some onion leaves. So yeah, I think this will be enough for today's cooking. Now let's see if we can find some parsley. There you are. I like this bed because it has everything. It has vegetables, it has green peppers, it has beetroot. I think once everything grows, it's gonna be nice. It has spinach, it has rape, it has some cauliflower. This is like my favorite bed. Oh, there's also this green pepper. Oh, look at this. But I think I'm just gonna let it grow for a little bit. Right now, let's get some parsley. I just need some parsley. Not a lot. I'm just gonna get just a few because I just use this for cooking. I like to have them fresh. So yeah, fresh parsley. Here you go. There's some parsley. Now let's get some vegetables. Some rip. These are my favorite vegetables, guys. Eesh. Whoever doesn't like rip is weird. So here we are, fresh vegetables. Let's put them in our basket. Here we are. Oh, it's looking good. It's filling up. It's filling up. I saw a tomato plant somewhere, but look at my cassava. I saw a tomato plant somewhere, so maybe we can get one tomato. This plant is not doing so well. It's sick, but yeah. Oh, we got some tomatoes. Here's another one. This one, I think it's gone bad, so we're not gonna eat it. But anyway, we'll just get it for now. And there's this one as well. Oh, my hand. Okay, so at least we got 4 tomatoes. Not bad. Okay, let's add that in our little basket. Ooh, there, it's looking colorful now. I think I've gotten quite enough for today. I don't need the others. This is Chinese and this is mustard, but I'm not getting any because I already have vegetables for today, but maybe some other time. But let me just show you what else I have. This is mkunguzu and this is more rip because they're my favorite, so we have lots of them. And right there we have cucumber. We just transplanted them, so we'll be putting in sticks and stuff. And then we have planted some beans there, more rip. And these are peas and sour. Yeah, peas. Yeah, this is some chili. Maybe we could get some chili, but I don't need any. But there's some lettuce down there, some other vegetables down there, more onion, and right here we have some more vegetables. And these ones, this This is gambuzi tree, some chili. Yeah, so this is my garden. We still have like lots of space. I didn't show you the other side, but now I'm tired. I'm not going that side. But I have this space right there that I can fix and plant more stuff. So yeah, I'm still growing stuff. More rib, more vegetables. Yeah, let me show you something else. This is parsley. It grew so well, but Jaire played with them and got some out. But yeah, this is ginger, and this is cauliflower. More vegetables, and these are meant to be yellow pepper and red pepper, so we'll see. And this is some garlic. You can see right there, it's gonna grow. Yeah, but this is garlic. Maybe we can get some garlic leaves. Yeah, let's get some garlic leaves for our little for a little dish. It's going to make it all smell so nice. And this is more ginger. Okay, so we have more lettuce. We do have some carrot, but it didn't do so well. But I'm sure we can get some, maybe just to spice up the meal, you know. Oh my god. Oh, there. Let me see how many we can get. Alright, I'm gonna check how many we can get. I've managed to get some, just a few, but yeah, we'll make the meal colorful. Okay, so let's add that in there. We've got a few carrots. Yep. Okay, I think I've got quite enough, but yeah, this is the other side. This is nkwani right there. We have some potato, sweet potato, and this is cabbage. I also have watermelons. Let me show you. We have beans there, some more onion. These are the watermelons. So here's one. Can you see it? Yeah. Some spinach there, and these are the green beans, and some mint right there. Let me show you one other thing that is exciting. My potatoes. Oh my god. Oh, these are beans, but then I'm more excited about the potatoes because these are the white potatoes. So yeah, this one is coming out, as you can see. It's coming out right there. But yeah, potatoes, more vegetables right here. Now I'm getting rid of flowers and planting food. Let me show you my tomatoes. This is my tomato section. As you can see, actually they've started giving me fruits. Where's the other? Yeah, look at this one. It's giving fruits already. Yeah, so I think we're gonna have a lot of tomatoes to eat at home because I don't want to mix up with the kumunda tomatoes. I've also planted new ones, so these ones are F1 varieties. I can't wait for them to grow. See, more tomatoes. Anyway, I'm almost done showing you everything. This is my potato plant. Can't wait to eat it. More potato. And this is green pepper. There's also a bean plant in there. But yeah, these are my spices: oregano, parsley. What spice is this? I've forgotten. And these are my tomato seedlings. Yeah, so this is my seedlings section. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I think I've showed you everything except my cabbage field. Let me go show you that. I don't know why I called it a field, because rats ate the other plants. Look at that. They're literally eating them. These are rats. I need to find a trap for them. But yeah, these are my cabbages. So happy with them. So excited. They've actually started forming the ball, as you can see. See, it's coming up. So yeah. Anyway guys, that's it for my garden. Thank you for spending some time in my garden with me.